In the case of Mukesh Kumar @Mangej versus State of Rajasthan in November 2025, Rajasthan High Court called the state of medico-legal reporting as pathetic. It noted that the software to fix this, MedLeaper, has been running in Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh since 2011. Rajasthan hadn't implemented it in 14 years. So, the court made it mandatory from 1st February 2026. And in the meantime, until the system is fully in place, it directed that every medico-legal report should be written in capital letters in clean, legible handwriting accompanied by a typed copy. If you are thinking, I don't do postmortems, this isn't for me. The direction covers injury reports, age determination, sexual assault reports and postmortems. Also, all medical reports, prescriptions of physicians, OPD slips, written medical opinion, and that these must be fully comprehensible. The court directed the state to notify that any medico-legal report prepared after 1st February 2026 by hand instead of through the software invites disciplinary action under the civil services rules for government doctors and against authorized personnel of private establishments. The court held that any breach of its directions would amount to contempt with suo motu proceedings under the Contempt of Courts Act. Ill-eligible handwriting has gone from a joke to misconduct to contempt of court. If you practice in Maharashtra, it does not directly bind you today. But the court's reasoning was not about Rajasthan. It said almost all courts in the country. MedLeaper is a national platform built by NIC, aligned to the new criminal laws, already carrying over 1.5 lakh medico-legal cases in Delhi alone. Think about where your handwriting ends up. A consumer complaint, a negligence trial, an insurance dispute. The single most common finding against doctors in this country is not that the treatment was wrong. It's that the record couldn't establish the treatment was right. Your handwriting is not a personality trait. It is evidence. And right now, for most of us, it is evidence for the other side. So 4 things to do today, and none of them cost anything. Number 1, the drug name and the dose gets written in capital letters. Everything else can stay in your handwriting. Number 2, sign it and write the time, not just the date. In a disputed case, the timeline is the case. Number 3, for anything medico-legal, check whether your state is on MedLeaper. If it is, use it. If it isn't, type it. Number 4, if you run a clinic, this applies to your staff entries too and to your consent forms. Write it so a stranger can read it, because one day a stranger will have to read it. Thanks for watching.